Here comes a soft and fluffy green-centered sunflower. Today we're using mango yellow for the petals. First, take a yellow pipe cleaner and cut 19 centimeters. Fold the piece in half. Twist it tightly at about 3.5 centimeters. Shape both sides into a curve. Then take one side and pull it through the middle. Twist the excess together. Use a lighter to gently burn off the fuzz at the tip. Make 24 petals like this. Next, take a light army green pipe cleaner. Bend it at 1 centimeter from the start. Then fold it up and down repeatedly along the whole length. Make 2 of this color and 7 in mango yellow. Take another light green pipe cleaner and fold it in half. At the length of 4.5 centimeters, fold each side again, then flip the excess upward. Twist tightly at the bottom. Wrap it around the top, leaving a pointed tip. Do the same on the other side. Flatten the joint with pliers. If the tip is too long, trim it. Then lightly burn it with a lighter to shape the point. Make 8 sets of these sepals. For leaf, take a green pipe cleaner to create the frame. Fold it in half, then twist the bottom tightly. You can decide the leaf size yourself. Shape it according to the type of leaf you want. Next, take another pipe cleaner, wrap it once around the top, then bring the remaining part up from below. Press it down at this point. Then pull it through the middle, fold it to the other side, and pass it through from underneath. Repeat the same steps, continuing to fill in the empty spaces. If one pipe cleaner isn't enough, connect another one. After filling everything, pull the remaining pipe cleaner tight and twist it securely with the original frame. Cut off the excess. Lightly heat the tip with a lighter to shape it and remove any fuzz. Adjust the leaf by gently shaping it with your hands. Apply glue to the finished green flower center and slowly roll it up by hand. Roll 2 green ones first, then 5 golden yellow ones. Try to keep the center round and neat for a nicer, more delicate look. After rolling everything, press and hold for a while until the glue dries. Then take the remaining 2 golden yellow pieces and glue their ends together to form a circle. Attach it to the flower center, slightly above the base. Apply glue little by little while attaching so you can adjust easily. After attaching, gently adjust to make the center symmetrical and neat. Fold the long edges upward one by one. Then start attaching petals. First, place 1 petal on each of the 4 sides. Make sure the petals stick out more. Then, place 2 petals between each pair. After finishing the first round, add 1 petal between each pair again. Once all petals are attached, press and hold until dry. Press down or trim the long tips. Then adjust the petals, bending each slightly outward. Doesn't it look beautiful? Turn it over. Then apply glue and attach 4 sets of sepals around the base. Let it dry. Take 3 light green pipe cleaners, apply glue, and wrap them around the stem. Gently pinch so the glue coats the stem. Glue section by section to avoid overflow and burns. Trim the excess. Add a little glue and wrap a small piece of pipe cleaner around. Attach it to the base of the flower head. Press until the glue dries. Then add 4 more sets of sepals. Press again. Once dry, adjust the sepals so they point downward and sit close to the base. Slightly pinch the tips outward. After adjusting, bend the stem slightly forward. Finally, apply glue on the large leaves and attach on the gaps of the stem. And that's it! A beautiful sunflower is done. Save and like, and let's make it together. Bye everyone, see you next time.